Hey guys, this is mjavedva with another tutorial whether how you can create your account on Buffer. Well, Buffer is a social media management platform that helps users to schedule, publish, and analyze their posts across multiple social networks. It allows teams to collaborate on content strategy and track engagement. Anyhow, to create your account, go to your browser and search Buffer. Then click on this link, which will take you to their platform, and then click on Get Started Now. Here, add your email and password, and then click on Sign Up. Now, your Buffer account has just been created, and it will send you an email to confirm your email address. So, go to your emails and click on Confirm Your Email to confirm it. Now, go to Settings under your Profile menu and upload your photo and change your name if you want. Moreover, you can go to these tabs and make changes according to your needs. Well, to start with this platform, it gives you a 14-day free trial so that you can have a reasonable idea whether what this platform can bring to you. And when you go to Plans and Pricing, it sure offers a free plan under which you can connect up to 3 platforms. And under these tabs, you can not only plan your process, but also track and analyze your engagement to make better decisions for your business. And this is how you can create your account on Buffer. And if you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to support by hitting the like and subscribe and sharing your thoughts in the comment section. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.